Buenas tardes, chicos, soy Profe Young. Hoy vamos a hablar sobre el futuro irregular. There are 9 irregular roots to the future tense. We talked about some in class today as we did our encuesta and we did some observations about the future tense. So hopefully this will be a reminder and a way to just have a more established way in your notes to do the irregular de los futuros. So let's do it. So here we have our 9 that we need to know. I've divided them into 3 categories. You've actually seen a bunch of these in class. So the first category, excuse me, is hacer and decir. They both are weird. They drop out a bunch of the verb, as you can see, and they become ar and idir. So those two are in the red up at the top left corner. Then you have this other group, which is down here at the bottom. It's tener, venir, salir, and poner, which means to have, to come, to leave, and to put. And all of those, instead of their ER or IR or ER, become DR. And you can see that, actually, that all of these get this little DR at the end before you put the endings on. So that's what I wanted to kind of group those together so you could see them. So tendré. So it'll be tendré, vendré, saldré, pondré, things like that. And then the one at the top right corner is querer, poder, and saber, to want, to be able to, and to know. And those ones just drop out the E. Okay, as you can see, that instead of the whole infinitive, the whole unconjugated verb, they just drop out the E. And then you put the ending on. So these are the 9 irregulares that you need to know for this week. And a reminder about these is that they have the same endings as regular verbs. So, as, a, hemos, an is still valid, still what's going to go on the end of these roots over here. Okay? So why don't you guys do some practices for me in your notes right now. So for your práctica, why don't you put these 5 verbs, poner, hacer, poder, decir, and saber, into the forms that I've put here. Go ahead and just do these in the irregular future, and that will be the end of your notes for this video lección. Muchas gracias y nos veremos en clase mañana.